First, use the pressure feed spray gun with the appropriate spray probe. Remove the plastic paneling in the right footwell under the steering wheel. Pull out the temperature sensor. Fill the pressure feed spray gun with the specified Contra Sept cleaning agent. Connect the compressed air hose to the pressure feed spray gun and spray probe. Cleaning fluid drips from the evaporator. So before starting to clean, place a collecting pan under the vehicle. Push the long spray probe through the hole of the removed evaporator sensor. Carefully clean the entire evaporator. Be sure to poke the spray probe through under the lines at the evaporator. This allows the cleaning fluid to spread properly in the honeycomb. The evaporator is flushed out properly. After this kind of cleaning, the bad smell from the evaporator should have disappeared. On the S-Class W221, remove the cover on the underside of the air conditioner. Remove the air filter. This allows the nozzle to reach the evaporator. On the C-Class W203, a small hole must be drilled at this point. Eliminate the odor from the air ducts. The evaporator must dry out first. Switch off the air conditioning, set to maximum heating, blower stage the 3, and activate recirculated air. Set air distribution to the footwell. Run the air conditioning at these settings for approximately 30 minutes. That's how long it takes to dry the evaporator. Use DAS to set the air conditioning so that it runs with recirculated air for an unlimited time. In control unit groups, go to Air Conditioning. Select Automatic Air Conditioning. Select Actuations and Close Air Recirculation flap. Confirm with F3, continue with F2. Activate recirculated air with F3. Remove the dust or combination filter. Fill the ultrasonic atomizer with interior cleaner. Insert the air outlet into the hole in the unit. Place the full unit in the front passenger footwell. Please note, position the air outlet directly at the recirculated air intake. Before starting the unit, make the following settings. Temperature setting cold, air conditioning off, recirculated air on, switch on ignition, and set the minimum blower stage. Now, switch on the ultrasonic atomizer. The cleaning vapor is sucked into the air recirculation duct. The combination of these two steps cleans the air conditioning system completely.